Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Facebook page name easily. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner and tap on the name of your page to go to the page. Now tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Now tap on page info and you'll see all the information of your page here. Now scroll to the top and tap on name. But there is a problem. You cannot change the name from here. You have to open the browser. Now close the Facebook app. Now open a browser and go to facebook.com. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Now tap on the name of your page. Then tap on three dots on the right hand side. Then tap on edit page. Now tap on page info. Now tap on name. Now edit the name as you like. Then tap continue. When you tap on request change, Facebook will review your request, which may take up to 3 days, and also some additional information. When Facebook approves your request, you will get a notification, and you will not be able to change the name of the page within the next 7 days. Now tap on request change. When Facebook approves your request, you will get a notification. Then tap OK. So that's how you can change the name of your Facebook page. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.